So hello friends, in this lecture we are going to discuss our Leetcode's problem of the day. And our problem is take if a word occurs as a prefix of any word in a sentence. So let's discuss what is a prefix over here. For example, if we are given any word like eating. So eat. Eat is the prefix of what? Eat is the prefix of the word eating. Okay. So any word starting from the beginning means from the left hand side of the word, or we can say sentence. That's called the prefix of a word. So basically, we have to return the we have been given a sentence hence, and a search word. Okay. A sentence and a search word. So basically, a sentence is containing multiple words. Okay, like I love eating burger, and a search word just contains only one word. Okay, so we have to return the index of the word in sentence, one indexed. Okay, the sentence is one indexed. Keep that in mind. Means, uh, for example, if we have been given like this. I love eating burger. Okay. So basically, what is the indexing over here? The indexing is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Means the difference over here is of what? Is of the spaces. The spaces over here makes the word different from each other. Okay. So for example, if this I, okay, this I and love are equal, like this. If they are joined, so the indexing will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this will be the indexing over here. I think you have understood the indexing over there. So if search word is a prefix of more than one word, return the index of the first word. Means we have to return the minimum index. For example, you have been given the word like the problem is to solve the problem. The problem is to solve problem. Okay, this is basically the sentence and the search word over here. Okay, the search word over here is what? Prob. Okay, so we have to go iterate the list from left to right. Okay, we will look for this prop and we will look for this prop. So basically, the indexing. Let's choose the indexing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is basically the indexing of the words. So we have so our answer over here will be what? Our answer will be 2 because we have to return the minimum index means the word occurring in the left hand side in the first. Okay, how many times you conquer the search word over here? So the problem is based on this only. So let's discuss the approach over here. The problem is very much simple. If you have seen the LeetCode's official solution, so you must have been confused at what is this brute force approach, two pointer approach. Okay, so this is nothing much serious. The LeetCode's official solution is bit too hard, but I will provide you with the easiest solution. So let's start with our approach over here. Okay. So basically, you have been given like the search word. Let's suppose SW. Okay, birch. So this is the and the sentence over here is what? I love eating burger. So let's try to analyze it. In this, the indexing is what 1, 2, 3, 4, and basically the birch. Okay, BURG. We are getting it in the fourth index. BURG means it is already present and also it is present in the starting. Okay, this is the starting. If for example A, B, C, Burj, burger is given, so this is not valid. You either you get the burg over here, but this is not valid. This is our answer in this case will be -1 only. But in this case, our answer will be what? Our answer will be 4. because the burger is present in the fourth index. So in this way, I have to return the indexing over here. So what if I will see only the starting indexes only? Let's see. The length of our burg is what? The length of our burg is what? 4. So what if I will choose only the four starting four words of all the indexing over here? Means I will split the sentence. I will use the split use function in the sentence. Sentence dot split. Okay. This function over here we split the sentence into parts like I will show you. Means in a list. This is I. Okay. This is love. Then this is eating. Okay. And this is burger. Just simple. This split sentence dot split function will convert it into this splitted array over here. Means differentiated array. Or we can say list. So our length of the search word is what burg, burg is 4. But over here, as we are able to see that here this is a sentence word of what 6 characters, and our burg is of what 4 characters only. So what if we will see the characters less than or equals to the length of the search word? Okay, what if we see that only? Like I mean to say over here is this is basically the sentence dot split over here. Okay, for example, let's give it R over here. So what if I see like this? R of what? B. B is what? B is the length of our search word. Means burge, which is what 4. Burge length is of what 4 over here. Okay. So R of B. So it will just give us the words with length over 4 only. Means up to 4. Up to 4. That is less than or equals to 4. Let's see. I love is of 4, so it will come. Okay, eating is of 6, so we will have only 4 words, starting 4 words, EATI. Okay, and burg, BURG. The rest of the 2 words are gone behind. Okay, we left it. We are saying only the 4 words, starting 4 words of this. So it made simple. It just made our problem simple. Just run a for loop, iterate through it. For I in, let's suppose this is A. For I in A, if I of semicolon B is equals to what? Our search word. If it is so, let's suppose we will keep a counter over here. Counter C. C will be incrementing by 1. Okay. Whenever we encounter any search word which is equals to our list, any word. Okay. So we will return just C, which is of what? 4. Else if there is not equal statement, we will just simply return -1. Just as simple. Okay. Now let's try to dry run. Let's see one example over here. Like this problem is an easy problem. Okay. Just dry run it. Our sentence is what? This problem is a easy problem. Okay. So it is given over here. Basically, we will do what? Sentence dot split means sentence dot split. Okay. So it will just give us what? This problem is uh, easy problem. Okay, so we have got our list over here, list of sentence. We have splitted it into parts. Okay, means differentiated it in the spaces over here. Okay, so we have splitted it. Now we will run a for loop. Let's suppose give it a name as R. Okay, this is R. Okay, for I in R, and basically let's suppose take B as our length. B is equals to what? Length of our special word. Special word is what? Prob. PROB, which is what? 4. Okay. So basically for I in R over here, we will check. First of all, we will keep a counter at 0 over here and increment it. Okay. First of all, our counter is at this position. So it is 1. Then at this 2. Then 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In this way, our counter will be incrementing. So by encountering the first problem, okay, we will check if our I up to B is what equals to our special word. If it is so, if it is equal, just simply return our counter. So basically, our counter is at this position, means it is 1, now it is 2. So our count answer will be what? 2 over here. Else, if you don't encounter any of the word equal, just simply return -1. Okay. So this was basically the dry run of our problem statement. Now let's try to code for it. There is another approach also, like starts with over. So we will discuss in further. Okay. So for example, I am taking s equals to what? Sentence dot split. S equals to is what? Sentence dot split. And let's suppose b is equals to what? B is equals to length of our special special word. Okay, B is the length of our special word over here. Now we'll run a for loop for I in S. Okay, we will also initialize a counter over here for counting the indexes. C is equals to what? 0. For I in S, C will be incremented by 1. Now we will check if our I up to B, if our I up to B is what? Equals to what? Special word. If it is equals to our special word, then simply return C, else return -1. Now let's try to run it. Name special word is not defined. Okay, sorry. It's search word. SERCH search word. Okay. Okay, we are getting our expected output. Now for case 2 also, it is giving output. Now this, it is giving -1. Okay. Now let's try to submit it. So our code is being accepted over here, and its runtime is beating 100% over here, means good runtime. Also over here. Now let's discuss the another approach. Another approach is what? It's a built-in function. Okay, it's a built-in function. Let's check it. If our I is what? I dot starts with by what? Start with by, wait a minute. Okay. If our eyes word starts with our search word, simply, okay. Basically, the starts with over here is what? The starts with is the inbuilt function which is used for searching the prefix. Prefix is what? Prefix the starting word. Okay. So now let's check it if it is running or not. Okay. Now for this, yes, it's giving correct output over here. Okay. So now let's try to submit it. Yes. So our this code is also being accepted over here. So basically, the starts with function over here. The starts with function over here is what? It's just an inbuilt defined function we used to find the prefix over here. Okay. So keep this in mind over here. So thank you friends. If you have any of the doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Also, I will upload the GitHub repository in the comment section description over here. Okay. So thank you friends.